Good morning, everyone. Are you experiencing hair loss in autumn or have started seeing that your hair is suddenly starting to fall out? So then this Monday Hair Booster is exactly for you. I'm Dr. Shivani Sood, the founder of Shivani Ayurveda, Ayurveda for the modern lifestyle. In Ayurveda, we are not seeing hair as a tissue which is growing out of our body. It's intensively connected with our internal health. And that's why Ayurveda is the system of choice to make your hair health better because it works with your whole body rather than just hairs. Ayurveda is the answer if you're looking for multiple health challenges because it sees it all as connected as one instead of seeing all your organs and body parts differently. So, what should you be doing if your hair is suddenly starting to fall down? And by this, I definitely do not mean to treat alopecia or baldness, but this is for the people who are experiencing seasonal hair fall. All these advices are just for educational purpose only. So the first thing you should be doing when you're experiencing hair fall is to work with your gut health. And that's what many people don't do because they don't realize that when your hairs are starting to fall, your absorption system is not functioning good. Now, even if you might take hair supplements, you might end up not absorbing it. So, an easy Ayurvedic way to enhance your absorption of vitamins and minerals in the food is to add buttermilk to your diet. The spices in buttermilk, which is cumin, ginger, pepper, rock salt, all of them enhance the absorption of food and thereby it helps to accelerate all the vitamins and minerals which are present in the food to be better absorbed by the body. Right. So this is the first thing you should be doing if you're experiencing hair loss. If you don't want to have milk products, you can also have hot water cumin or hot water ginger. The second thing which you should be doing if you're experiencing hair loss is that you should start taking in the morning after breakfast juice of amla, so around 20 grams juice of amla, and mix half spoon moringa powder inside it. Moringa is really good for your hairs because it has essentially all the vitamins and minerals which help you to grow hair. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder inside. Blend it all. If you have a smoothie mixture, you can just run it through a smoothie mixture and just have like a shot full of this juice every morning. The third thing what you can do is do your work because I know many of you are working. Carry a mixture of pumpkin seed, sesame seed, sunflower seeds, which are roasted. Add dates to it and approximately consume 15 grams twice a day. Doing this remedy for approximately 1 month will definitely enhance your hair growth and will prevent the hair fall. Apart from this, the general remedies you're aware of, you shouldn't be washing your hairs too frequently or drying them in extreme heat. So definitely do all the prophylactic things what you need to do. And apart from this, hair fall is also an indication of various other health challenges like an hormonal imbalance or a thyroid imbalance, or it could be just, something related with your nervous system that the hairs are falling off. So if the general remedies is not helping hair fall, it will be better for you to go for a proper professional consultation to see what's with your hairs that they're thinning or falling down. In the next Monday Health Booster, I will be telling you what you can do locally to your hairs to make your hair health better. So that's all for this Monday Health Booster. Have a great week. Keep taking care of yourself as you work through the week. Keep smiling, stay relaxed, and be happy.